Alright guys, today we got another pin collection pack from the Crown Zenith. We're going to open it up, see if we get anything good on this one. Last pull we had, we got the Mewtwo V-Star. Got a couple other good ones, so we'll see what we get. Get a little pin there. Alright, let's see. First pack. Alright, we got Basic Energy, Matang, Shaman, Francis, Glaring Me Out, Whalmer, Shinx, Besta, Oddish. Ooh, another Soul Rock we pulled out on the last one. Ooh, and then a Hollow Mewtwo. Look at that. Those are two nice ones to start out the deck. Hopefully get a little better luck going. Get something bigger than those two. Fire Energy, Trekking Shoes, the Mustang, Vegan Duo, Shinx, Sportfish, Pawniard, Seal, Rockruff. Oh, not much in that pack. Alright, we'll try it. Last pack with the Mewtwo. We'll see what we pull on the last pack this time. Energy, Vegan Duo, Midstream, Little Great Ball, Bidoof, Potion, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Shiny Shinx, and nothing on that. So we got a couple good ones out of that pack. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Subscribe, see more videos.